Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a glimpse into my home during the holiday season. So let's dive right in. As you enter my home, you'll find the dining room on the right, featuring a refurbished old mantle in a vibrant red, green, and white color scheme. I've also added some of my Christmas DIYs, such as the snowman and the lollipops. And right above the faux fireplace, I've added my Christmas bells that I also DIY'd. My mom's old china cabinet stands proudly in the corner, decorated with festive Christmas cheer. Some of us don't have our parents anymore, and just having some of their things in our home just makes us feel that warmth and love from them. What are your thoughts on that? And off to the bottom right, I place my mom's house cookie jar. And off to the side, I added this season's greetings ladder from Dollar Tree. Now off to the corner is this skinny tree, and let me tell you a story on it. So it was silver and I didn't like it, so I decided to spray paint it with a red color, and this is how it turned out. I'm not completely thrilled with it, but I just went with it. Now for my table, I just have a simple runner that has red and white, and also just this simple centerpiece that I also DIY'd. Because we use this table on a daily, I needed to keep it just plain and simple. Just an FYI, that mantle came from an 100-year-old house is what I was told, and I just refurbished it. Moving on to the main living room, you'll be greeted by my baby girl, Molly, a cozy fireplace, and a towering Christmas tree, adorned in gold, deep red, and green. The TV in this living room is dressed up with a nativity wallpaper to complete the holiday atmosphere. If you're interested in this wallpaper, I'll go ahead and link it down below. And off to the back of my sofa, I have this $5 Christmas tree from, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. And the ornaments that I decorated it with are my mom's old Christmas ornaments. And here, off in the corner, I have this old buffet, and I placed a nativity scene. And as you come around, I have this cozy chair with a lot of the red Christmas decor. And as you step into my breakfast nook, I do have my refrigerator there, and above it I have a sleigh with a Christmas tree and a reindeer sitting above. Moving on to the kitchen, you'll notice that the cabinets are decorated with gold bows and festive trees above. And finally, the guest bathroom is decked out in holiday style as well. I used a Christmas tree as the focal point with a red bow above. I decorated the vanity with a lantern filled with Christmas ornaments, and I hung a canvas of this wintry scene. And on the opposite side, I added this small forest tree. This is from Dollar Tree, and so is the bigger tree. For Molly and I hope that you enjoyed my Christmas holiday home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more fun content. Merry Christmas, and God bless.